first thing first, let's look at what I gain during this flight for our life. Perk point, attribute point. Yeah, let's use intelligence again. Here. Now I think I'll go back into crafting. Junk items are automatically disassembled. Is there any reason to pick that accuracy? I mean, I'm lazy, but not that lazy. Does it give me access to something else? Grenades, yeah, I want that, but I could just pass by this one instead. Yeah, I think I'll go do that. Alright, engineering. Reduce damage from explosions. Looting drones, mech robots. 25% chance looting weapon, mod, or attachment. Okay, can't touch this. Grants immunity to all effect from your own grenades. Ooh. Explosion radius of grenades is visible. Yeah, I think do that. Not that I foresee myself dropping grenades near me, but yeah, I kind of do. But let's go with that. Alright, let's get out of here, Jackie.
Attention! Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza.
Clear.
Please remain in your rooms
Understood.
and
Over
follow
now.
all instructions.
If this was a drill, why'd they send it Southern? Come on, quietly. Special forces. In the lobby now. We're gonna sweep the building, all floors.
I should probably put grenades into my... Oh, I have no weapons. No, that's not true. I picked up this. Here we go. And can I craft? Can I craft some grenades? Grenades. Yeah. I don't have. But this is a challenge. I don't have much bullets though, so I guess I'll have to.
Located the Dweller in a combat mod, flathead model. Drones have encountered hazards on the penthouse level and opened fire. Yorinobu Arasaka has been evacuated from the premises. I repeat, Yorinobu Arasaka has been evacuated.
What's going on there?
Doesn't sound good.
Recipient, Virginia Manchester, citing her most recent work in the shade of an apple tree.
What do we have here? Silencer will come in handy. Careful. Security like that outside.
Got it.
Baby
I
steps.
really could use a bite if I have one. For the nerves, you see. Burrito and a juice. A juice. All right.
Enemies watching.
Attention! Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and
This
follow
way.
all instructions given by staff.
Need to check the Zen rooms?
Can I? Here. Turn off.
Yes. All clear. Nothing strange out of
Make a distraction. This one, maybe? Could I get them to come over here? Yeah, that's okay.
Well. Then take another look.
Come over.
want you.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kenpeki Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
Doop, 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 doop. And... All right. Still good.
You fucking gunk! I spotted him! Hell yeah!
Well, I tried.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kenpeki Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
Oh, I thought there would be a computer here. Something.
She attacked me! All cleaned up. Go, go, go!
Oh well. Uh, 55. What? ED. What? Do I just don't understand how this works or something?
Nice shot!
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kenpeki
Hold your
Plaza.
fire!
Please remain in your
Why?
rooms and follow
What?
all instructions given by staff.
He's wounded! Give up, damn you! Hang on! Reloading! Lay it on her!
Uh-oh.
¡Los hijos de la chingada también! Fucking hell! Shoot to kill! Point for you!
Code Red has been initiated throughout Kenpeki Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
Could have gone worse.
Cover me, V!
Cover you. Nobody's shooting at us. Calm yourself. You have to remain zen. Feng shui. E9 and 55. I'm pretty sure I'm not understanding how it works.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Go, go, go! Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
Well, so much for that.
Just like that! White bomber! I've got this. Go, go, go!
Uh-oh.
Come on, motherfuckers! Lower the fucker left!
Ah!
Kill!
Are we good?
All cleaned up. Careful now.
Attention.
Engaging hostile!
What are we doing? Yeah, let's just get the iterator.
Padre, shut down!
Oh, come on!
Thinking spots.
Can I not hack it? I thought that was what hacking was for. Maybe one day.
She doesn't escape! You hear me? Hold on! Better get on! Out of my way, coño!
Can I go via the outside?
Brace yourself! With you in a sec!
So, E9, E9. wrong C. What did I install? Reduce cost? I mean, it's not that bad. Oh, why isn't that more? Let's ping them.
Go, go, go! I'm empty! Need to reload! Go, go, go!
Crap. Pitching out. No more ammo. Distance. Distance. Oh, I could just pick up one of their fancy gun, I guess. Tactician power shotgun. No. 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 Shigure. Yeah, this one.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kenpeki Plaza. Please. Follow all instructions given by staff.
What's that green thing?
Hey, got a shard with security clearance.
Ah, yeah. Oh, it's my buddy. Okay. Are we really leaving by the lobby? Man, the balls we've got. I'll eat a burrito or something while we're in there. Probably running for your life is tiring work, makes you hungry. Do you have something to eat? Yep. Oh, and I've got a perk point. Perk point. Scrapper. No. Engineering. I think I had something that was cool. Yeah. When looting drones, mechs, and robots, there's a 25% chance of looting a modern one. Explosive ranges of grenades visible. Yeah, we'll start with that.
What?
Saburo Arasaka.
Yeah?
150 years. And today, of all fucking days, that's like some divine comedy shit.
Oh.
Think all this is funny?
Yeah, I do.
I can't blame you. to
Your
be
liver
honest.
could be fucked.
Had it coming.
Ah, Jackie.
But Sylvie will get out alive.
Yeah, keep popping those red flags.
Tell Bug, why don't you? Maybe she'd still be alive if we hadn't been so gung-fucking-ho.
Don't.
Is she dead? Oh, I completely misunderstood that part.
Pulling.
That doesn't sound good.
He can spot you.
Yeah, that's late for that. Here you go.
Shoot!
Alright, let's try that again. Did that not work? Compiling record to unlock this quick hack. Okay. And then let's ping everyone. And switch that off.
Hide! Focus!
Is that good? E9. 1C or 55 DD. I think I. Oh. Yeah, I totally didn't understand how that works. Let's try this again.
Kill or be killed! Gonna take more than that!
So, 59 E9. Now I want to. Oh, that's what. 1C, 55, 1C. C, 55, 1C, 55, 1C. Okay, that's how it works. Extracted data. Oh, okay. Those are the things.
Target movement!
Short circuit.
He's hit! Target movement!
Ow, ow, ow. Is there a camera behind them or something? Oh, yeah, but I'm out of RAM.
Target hit! Good one! He's hit!
That doesn't sound good. Can I hack it? Oh, that was the time. It's fine, it's like fighting a dragon. Right until it breathes. Okay, I didn't rock. You recharge your submachine gun. Then you come out. Yeah, I got like 100 more bullets. I don't do something stupid and get out of the boat. Here we go. Pam pam pam.
Enemies watching.
All right, let's go on an adventure and loot everyone. There's still a camera or something? Yeah. Alright. Let's just turn it off. There we go. Alright. I loot the big robot. Is that it? I'm a little disappointed. I thought it would be like super rare or something. Almost no ammo left, so better get out. Well, we can.
Guess that's all of them.
Come on in. Oh, do you need some help? Man, come on, get in. Fine. Just a little more.
Leaking a little.
A little, you say?
Attacks on corporate property!
Where'd that come from?
I advise that you waste no time in entering the vehicle.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Shoot!
Delamain, got it!
Welcome back. Delamain, your problem?
We'll have problems if you don't fucking try! Not bad.
Client feedback noted.
How's our ride looking?
Tip top. Though
Alright! Excelsior!
Delamain!
Please remain calm.
Calm!
Roadblock ahead. I
You call that a roadblock?
brace for impact. A hostile enemy aircraft has a lock on us.
Leave it to me.
Really?
I get this
What?
not give up!
They have almost no bullet. What am I supposed to do? Wow. Okay, drones on it, so...
Hostile aircraft eliminated.
Are you going to be alright?
We did it, Jackie! We fucking made it!
Don't you dare die!
I guess we did.
My medical diagnostics indicate that Mr. Wells's condition is critical.
Take us to a Ripper dock now!
Apologies, but that will not be possible.
What?
Our itinerary has been pre-arranged and paid for in advance. I am not at liberty to alter it.
Fuck your liberty! Do what I say!
It's okay, V. I'll hold out.
I suggest you try to keep Mr. Wells conscious.
It's gonna be alright. You'll see Misty, your mom, everyone you love.
No, Jackie.
Jackie,
No.
don't close your eyes!
Misty. I know. She always knew. Biochip. Hold on to it. For me.
always the good ones that go first.
Mr. Wells has passed. Where shall I take his remains?
What?
The Excelsior package provides for the disposal of passenger remains free of charge. I merely require a destination.
Just...
He'd want to be with his family.
Mr. Wells's closest blood relative is Guadalupe Alejandra Wells, proprietress of the El Coyote Coho Bar. I will make sure to deliver him safely. Mr. Deshawn awaits you in room number 204.
It's you, Bob.
See you in the major leagues, Jack.
If you suspect any rogue AI activity, call the NetWatch hotline immediately.
This one's for you, Jack.
Let me in.
He waiting.
WNS, N54, even the pirate networks. You blowing up everywhere. And the Jackster, he out in the car?
We return to this week's biggest story. The murder
Don't care to know how Jackie is?
Told, you best watch it.
Bled out in the back seat. Dead.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that.
Better be.
And the relic?
Got it right here.
I was afraid of that.
What?
Saburo Arasaka. Dead. You got any notion of the shit you pulled me into? You off the fucking Emperor! His Majesty! Anyone with so much as a pinky toe dipped in this mess is as good as dead!
You're the one who got us into this mess! Let's start with your prep work! You had no idea Saburo Arasaka'd be at the hotel?
I don't have access to his personal fucking schedule. And besides, nobody asked you to kill the old man.
I didn't!
That wasn't us!
No shit. Tell that to the soccer ninjas they send after you. Alright, settle down. Gotta be tactical about this. Parker, Eddie's. Then we leave the city limits behind. But first, your face got blood all over it. Bathroom's there. Go get yourself cleaned up.
Should probably dump those clothes. I can't? I mean, it's not that hard. Apparently it is.
Alright then.
Of course.
Can't risk it, V. Remember our first convo?
What?
Seems I've chosen
Oh, come on.
life after all.
It's not going to help you
No
in
place
any
for
way.
me.
You're connecting me better.
Hey.
That sounds like a good one for a save. A new save.